Welcome to Xunjie. Today, we're excited to introduce our latest addition, a cutting-edge 3D printing machine specifically designed for nylon glass fiber materials. This new equipment represents a major upgrade in our 3D printing capabilities. It's specially engineered to handle nylon reinforced with glass fiber, which combines the flexibility of nylon with the enhanced strength and durability of glass fiber. With this machine, we can now produce parts that are tougher, more heat-resistant, and suited for high-performance applications. The precision and reliability of this machine allow us to create detailed, durable prototypes and models, pushing the limits of what can be achieved in 3D printing. This advancement opens up new possibilities for industries that require stronger and more resilient materials, from automotive components to functional prototypes. To demonstrate the difference, we printed two models of Wukong from Black Myth, Wukong 1 in white nylon and the other in nylon glass fiber. While white nylon provides flexibility and good performance, nylon glass fiber stands out for its increased hardness, strength, and higher melting point. These properties make nylon glass fiber the more robust option, offering greater durability and resilience, especially in demanding environments. At Xunjie, we are always committed to innovation. This new equipment allows us to push the boundaries of 3D printing with nylon glass fiber materials, delivering superior performance for a variety of industries. Stay tuned for more exciting projects as we explore the full potential of this powerful technology.